the deepest, darkest phase of my yacht, the most beautiful time. I'm on day 20, my moon time starts on day 25. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get lots of movement in. I'm gonna get some sun on my face, be with my tree friends. So I got this 13-hour brood burdock, dandelion, what else does she have? Motherworth, echinacea, and peppermint, I think. Herbal brew. And I have like my notebooks here, and I'm gonna have a good time. I'm really excited. If I can put her back in. Okay, I'm gonna hold her for now. But yeah, I'm excited. It feels really good. The clear air smells so fresh. It's great vibrations. Great vibrations. If y'all didn't know this already, but trees be having all the tea. Okay? You put your hand on there. You hug her deeply. She's gonna tell you something. He's gonna tell you something. They're gonna tell you something. They're beautiful. That cucumber?
I'm hoping you're not just
Absolutely delicious. Sea Level Vegan Diner. Literally, second day in the row of us coming here, and we're like, yo, do we have to move here? Because the food is too damn good.